I want to show you some important features about Canvas that are going to make your life easier this quarter. One, when you first come into Canvas, click on your account and change your notifications so that you are notified, especially for discussions, because you'll need those for your group work, and if you don't know when your group members post, you can really get behind on that group work. You'll see all the different notification possibilities once you get in there. Notice over here on the right, you'll see the assignments that are upcoming. That's the to-do list. I mentioned that in the welcome video. The problem with that is if it doesn't have a due date assigned to it, it doesn't show up. And also, if you've already completed it once, even if I send you an email saying, hey, you have a chance to redo that, you wouldn't be able to see that on your to-do list. So if you're just looking at your phone and to-do list only, you will miss things. Please don't just rely on the to-do list. A better way to do this is to come in and click on the modules and then see the module and open it up, and then you can see all the work that's due. In the first 2 weeks of the quarter, everyone completes everything on the list for weeks 1 and 2. You'll see some things are 146, some things are 95, some things are 96. Everybody does that. At the end of week 2, you have to decide if that's a pace you can maintain or if you would like to slow the pace down and not complete 146. And that's what the sorting quiz is about. What you see in the week 3 module is everything that everyone's going to do. But there's assignments that are locked, and you can see it says locked. You can't see the assignments that go along with Math 95 or Math 146 specifically until you complete that sorting quiz. It does not affect your grade. So please don't be afraid to take it thinking, oh, I better answer this way or that way. I'm going to take it as a student right now that's decided I can't handle this pace for summer. I got so much going on. I am not going to complete 146. I'm just going to complete 95 and 96. And then it says, I understand the choice to complete all 3 classes is not written in stone. So if you change your mind, it's fine. It's not so hard to change your mind. If you try all 3 and then later say, nope, not going to happen, that's no big deal. If you only claim to do 2, it's really hard to change your mind to go back and do 146. So please be careful about that choice. Then I'm going to submit the quiz. And now I'm going to go over here to modules again. Keep saying, and again, I got 2 out of 7 on that quiz. It's not going to affect my grade, so please don't be worried about that. Now what we're seeing in here, we don't see anything that says locked anymore. Now it goes back and shows me I'm going to do the Chapter 9 diagnostic and 9A and so forth. Those assignments are populated into that. Because I chose to do 95 and 96, I'm going to not see 146 assignments. Sometimes an assignment is all 3, so you might occasionally see that on there, but what you should see is assignments that tell you it's 95 and 96. Or it doesn't say any number, which means everybody does it. So that populates that correctly. Now, at the end of these weeks, you might have noticed there was a thing of claim your badge. So when you look at your modules, you can see right here where it says homework 7 and 8, score at least 33. Homework 9, score at least 22. Those are the things you have to do that week where it says score at least. Those are the 3 things in this module that you have to complete in order to get a badge for 95. Remember, your grade in 95 is based on badges. So if you ever wonder, what do I need for a badge? Go in, open up the module, and look to see any of those things that say score at least. And those are the things you have to do to earn the badge. So for week 3, for instance, you have to get this badge, all you have to do is complete this assignment with at least a 10 out of 15. So not a lot for that one. Some weeks you have to do more things than others to earn the badge. So remember, if you don't claim your badge, I will push out the badges sometimes to you. But if you finish something and you get a grade, you could go in and claim that badge. When you are in this mode, you can go into badges, click on badges, and see which ones you've earned. You can see all the ones possible, and then if you earn it, it'll say, yes, you earned it. But if you haven't earned it yet, then it will just look like what I see here, where it's just blank. So the badges are how you're going to track your grade in 95. Let's reset this student view and go in and do this for Math 95 students. I mean for the other one, sorry. So in week 3, I'm going to go in and do the sorting quiz, but this time I'm going to say that I'm going to finish Math 146 as well as the other 2 classes. Remember, you have to do all 3 if you want credit for 146. I realize that it's not set in stone. I can change my mind later, but this is your first guess at what you think you're going to do. Now, if I go in here and I look in my week 3 module, I don't see homework 9A and 9B. I need to still, sometimes it takes a second to update that. So it hasn't graded it yet. It's really a little finicky when I'm doing student view and I'm changing and trying and changing again. It works very well as a student. If you go in and take that, it'll update those assignments for you pretty quick. So let's update this one more time. And okay, so now it does still say that for some reason, but you can see now I'm starting to see here's homework for 146, 1A and 1B. Remember the last time I was just seeing like homework 9A for 95. Now I'm seeing the assignments that go along with Math 146. So now I know this is what I need to do. I still need to claim my badge here, even though I'm in 146. Everybody should be doing this, and that's going to help you claim a badge. When you're in Math 146, you still need to earn your 6 badges in order to pass 95. So remember that. And then here, if you have to, everyone does the first 2 projects. So you can claim your badge for the first 2 projects after that. And so from here on out, because I selected 146, I will see the 146 assignments, but because I have to do 95 and 96, I will also see those as a 146 student. So that's a really important thing to remember about this class, is that if you sort yourself correctly, you should see the assignments that you need for that, all right, for that course. I hope that helps clear up the sorting quiz, and have a great day.